Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this mega bottle of the Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. I love these. I have joint pain myself and some inflammation in my body, so this really helps give me peace of mind that I'm doing extra to kind of help my joints and support everything. One thing I really like about that is this as well is it has protein in it, so it kind of gives you a little boost in that regard. It has 20 grams of collagen peptides. It has 100% of your daily value of vitamin C. It has hyaluronic acid in it, 80 milligrams. It helps your skin. It gives you a youthful appearance, healthy joints and bones. You can mix it in hot or cold liquids, which is awesome. I've done both, and it works really, really well. It doesn't taste like anything. So I've mixed it in my tea, my coffee, my water, kind of whatever I need to. If I forget about it during the day, I can mix it into anything. So I love this because I just know that I'm getting a little extra boost of something, which is great. So I definitely recommend this, and that is my point of view.